YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for another What's in the Box on Paramount's 4-port complete. Stay tuned, we're going to dive in and show you guys what comes included. Alright, we're back. So again today we have a What's in the Box for you guys on Paramount's 4-port 2-inch complete. So this is an entire new in-floor valve for your system made by Paramount. This is meant for a 4-port system, so for those of you guys that don't normally have an abundance of heads, sometimes you can get away with using a 4-port system. Again, you're always going to want to make sure you verify with your actual pool professional before you guys dive in and start cutting out the entire valve. Most of these are made for the new construction point, so as you guys are building the pool, these are going to be the new valves that you install. I'll kind of walk you guys through what to expect that comes in the valve, but let's dive into the box here and just show you guys what comes included so you know what to expect. Again, we'll have a link in the description for you guys. It'll take you guys directly to this product, so then that way you guys don't have to worry about their lengthy part numbers that they give you. So let's show you guys what comes included. All right, so if you've had a Paramount system before in the past, you guys are familiar, they normally use a drop-in style module to run the actual ports on the system. So pull the actual complete out, and then of course they give you the module. So because these modules are normally wet tested, they don't like to put them into the actual complete. There's also a reason internally here where they actually have a PVC ring located around the bottom. See if you guys can actually see it past the sticker. Nope, they don't actually have it. No problem. So the reason for it is just so that when you guys actually start to primer and glue this into your system, that you guys don't accidentally get any primer or glue onto the module. Because then when you guys fire it up, if there's pieces in here, they can really break the pistons on these modules. So making sure that this is an actual shell and not filled with the module already when you're doing installation is pretty important. They also give you the nut main right here on the band clamp. So this nut is meant to just unscrew when you guys are doing your actual startup. When you guys want to plumb everything in, keep everything complete, just makes it easier for you guys. Obviously you're going to want to remove the sticker on the bottom here. They do let you know with the sticker on the bottom that there are other items in here. So if you guys do want to open this up and just be able to grab those out, close it back up to seal it just to set this down. Really important. They give you the pressure gauge for your actual top housing here. So this plastic plug will actually remove, and then you'll thread in the pressure gauge. Always make sure you guys do not use a Teflon tape when you guys are threading in pressure gauges on these. They tend to expand and they'll crack the lid. So the best thing that you guys can use if you're looking for some other kind of water sealant is using something like a Plasto joint stick or some kind of other plumber's putty, something that's a little bit more malleable and a little bit more able to be moved. So making sure that when it goes inside the lid that it won't cause so much pressure that it'll crack. So, and then again, here's your module. You're going to take this out. You guys are going to notice that it has an actual lid O-ring included with the module. So you guys get an extra. I believe they already have one on here specifically for the complete. And then of course you get your full drop-in module. If you guys aren't sure how to actually set it in a 4-port, because let me remove the sticker so you guys can see why they're calling it a 4-port. So you guys can actually see that 2 of the ports are actually blocked off. So the module is directional when you guys want to drop it in. So you guys can check out the links in the video. We actually have another video to show you guys how to properly set it to make sure that before you fire anything up, that it is set in there properly and you're not going to have deadhead with the water coming in onto a port that isn't functioning. So really, really important on making sure you guys set this correctly. So again, we have a video that will walk you guys through how to do that. So make sure you guys check that out before you guys get everything started up. So, but for today's video, we just want to show you guys what comes included. So normally for a complete, they're going to give you the entire shell. Included in here will be your actual knob for your band clamp, as well as the pressure gauge for the top housing. And then of course they give you a separate box in there with the module that corresponds with the actual shell. So whether you're getting a 6-port, 4-port, 2-port, whatever it may be, as long as you're buying a complete, it will come with a module included. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description if you guys got more questions. We've got all of these directly available for sale on our website for you guys. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time. you.